Then there is another word which is called muhasaba. Muhasaba means to account, examine our own self, what we are doing. So, Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu used to say, Hasibu qabla an tuhasabu. That you should examine yourself before you are examined on your judgment. Allahu Akbar. Normally the accounts people, so they have audit every year. So when there is a month of audit, you will feel they will be looking at their books, so this receipt and this voucher and this paper and that is missing. And so before the audit team comes, they set up everything. They are afraid of those people. They will come and they will find fault and they will say the files have not been maintained properly. So that exercise in which we make up our deficiencies is called muhasaba. So every night before sleeping, we should just think few minutes how we spent the day. What is my lifestyle? What I am doing these days? So this is called muhasaba. So you will see your faults, you will see the points where we need to improve, and this is important for everyone. Because if we know in which points or fields we need to improve, we should try to improve, we should try to make dua. So muhasaba is also very important. Our mashayikh, they used to write down whatever word they used to speak on the paper every day. And at night they used to see what I spoke was proper and what was not proper. So they used to examine their whole day like this. So every single day we used to see how I spent my day. This muhasaba is important. So try to do it every night so that to improve our life. And there is always room for improvement.